Okay, this is day 8. I'm still on the journey. Guys, I'm still showing up. The name of the game is just show up. That's all you have to do. Just show up. So, my why is getting stronger day by day. And I'll tell you the reason is that in my first 7 days, I went through setting up a system, an email list, a payment processor, all that stuff. And let me tell you a backstory. The reason is I used to own a clothing store for like about 8 years. When I started, I didn't know anything, but I thought I could just come in there and start selling, but I didn't know first I had to rent a building, get water and lights, gas, okay? I had to pay for a sign to go on top of the shop. Then I have to get showcases for the shop. Then I get hangers and all this type of stuff, and all these clothes. Have to go and order clothes and this and that and the other. And as things went along, I'd add earrings because ladies would say, well, do you have earrings to go with this? Okay. Do you have lipstick, eyeliner, makeup? I started having a full-fledged store. But I had to be there every day in order to make money. I remember for years I never took time off, days off, anything. Because if I didn't show up, I didn't make money. The reason my why was so big about going online is that I understood that if I could get online, I did not have to be there 24/7, but my business was running 24/7, 365. Guys, that was the key. I kept seeing different businesses, different things people had online, but it just didn't resonate with me. But I tried some that it didn't go anywhere. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, it's so simple. When they say you can set this up on a weekend and be ready by Monday to start selling, they're serious. But don't be like me. I put it on the shelf. But when I got serious about it, it only took me 2 days to set it up, and I was off and running. The reason I like it because I'm like the TV commercial that you see on TV. Why does McDonald's still have commercials? Burger King said, Coca-Cola have commercials. $1 billion companies. I have the same mindset. I'm going to have the same mindset as those $1 billion companies. You need to be seeing me every day, if not 2 or 3 times a day. Why? Because I have a business as well. I bought it. No one can take it away from me. I can't even get fired. I don't have to have a license. Yeah, do you understand how important that is, guys? Not having a license, not taking continuing education, but you have a business, guys. We have an opportunity for you here. A lot of you guys may have failed at network marketing. I did okay at network marketing. I'm gonna be honest with you. I did network marketing for 4 or 5 years. If I had not did network marketing, I probably would not be here talking to you today, because it forced me to get into more personal development. Look at things different. Think different. Okay? Success, you don't chase success. Success is inside of every one of us. It's just waiting for you to develop into that successful person. So far, that's what I've been doing. I've been developing it because for years I chased it. I figured and found out you don't have to chase it. It's inside you. So if you're looking for a way out, this is for you. If you failed at businesses before, this is for you. If you want to do something for yourself, this is for you. Start out part-time. Give yourself an hour a day to work on it. These videos don't take anything but 2-3 minutes to make, and you up and running. That's all. But guys, once you get your business set up, it's done. There's nothing else you have to do. So this is my day 8. Like I say, I'm feeling good about it. My why is getting stronger and stronger. If you feel like you want the same thing for yourself, I'm gonna drop a link down below in the comments. Follow me, comment. Let me know what you think. Let's get you started. If you have any questions, look, guys. If you want to get started, get started. Like I always say, either watch me build it or build it with me.